Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to add the flight widget on your iPhone. Now if you want to add the flight widget on your iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to add the flight widget on your iPhone using the Flighty app, then make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data. So if you are not connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data, then it won't be possible. And make sure that you have also installed the Flighty app. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. Now to add the flight widget on iPhone, open the Flighty app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the home page of Flighty app, where you'll see various options on the center of the screen and very at the top. So click on the profile icon, which is at the very center, and here you need to click on the option settings. And to add the flight widget on iPhone, you need to ensure that you have a Flighty Pro. So click on the option of Flighty Pro and click on the option of view Flighty Pro. From here you need to buy the Flighty Pro option, and after buying the Flighty Pro option, you need to open the Flighty app on a device and you choose a flight widget as the Flighty app. So you need to navigate to the Flighty Pro settings and look for the option regarding widget. Now Flighty will display a few widget options to choose from: next flight widget or the flight history widget. So from there you need to add the widget to your home screen. Now you need to go back to the home screen and long press here, and you will see the option of edit, and here you will see the option of add widget. So click on the option of add widget, and here you need to tap on the option of Flighty and click on the option of add widget. Now after doing all of it, you need to select the flight, you need to choose the, so by doing all of it, you will be able to add the Flighty widget on your iPhone home screen. That's it. That's how you can add the Flighty widget on your iPhone home screen. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.